Here you can see
This call is now
different
being
places.
recorded.
In India where we can find or our archaeologists have found something. Yes, Asta, continue.
Okay, sir. You find Look carefully at the places marked in the map. You will find that at many places of India, the primitive man might have lived. Few places are shown in the map, but there are
Evidence,
advanced evidence of their in
habitat.
many habitat in many places in India.
That is habitat, only typing error. No problem. In this map, we can see many few places found in India. But when our archaeologists dug out and found many evidence related to these people and their habitat places in our country. Continue next paragraph.
Okay, sir. The, the preferred to stay in good and large places where stones, wood, and water were found. They lived in natural caves to protect themselves the themes from in and wild animals. Several such places have been found in Vidya Mountains in central India. Such type of places have also been found in the region around Narmada River. Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh has been found, which are excellent places of human habitation. In its cave, near about 500 images of birds, deer, wooden spear, trees, humans, etc., drawn by the primitive men have been found, which are drawn with the help of natural colors.
Yes, it is primitive man, not primitive. So keep in mind next time.
Okay, sir.
Here, the information related to them, they prefer to stay in good and large places, good places as well as large places. Now, the feature of places are good, large, and places where stone, wood, water, these three things easily found. Besides this, they live in natural caves. In the mountains, you have seen many caves when you will visited different places during your tour, family tour or school tour. Why? In natural cave to protect themselves from wild animals. We have also found several places in Vidya mountain range, Vidyanchal mountain. It is in central part of India. Such type of places have been also found in region around Narmada. Near the Narmada river, these kind of places are found. We can see Bhimbetka. It is located in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Here caves are there, and we also got the proof related to primitive men and their habitation. In its cave near about 500 images. Now in this cave of Bhimbetka, about 500 images. Bird, deer, wooden spear, trees, and human. They are painted with natural color. Thus, we can see this kind of people, how their life was, and what kind of weapons they were using. But because spears of wooden and spears, we call it bhalu. Wooden, લાકડાનું બનાવેલું. Birds, different types of birds, deers, trees, and human beings. Of those days, we can see or we have proof related to this. Next one will be read by Pippalia Hathway. Before that, you can see here Bhimbetka, caves of Bhimbetka. In this cave, it is located in Madhya Pradesh, and here we can see different pictures of different animals like deer, birds, spears of wooden, and they are made with natural colors. Means in those days they had art. of painting, and the weapons they use we found in this cave in the form of painting. Now, discovery of fire and wheel and their use. This situation was before the discovery of fire and wheels. After discovery of fire and wheels, what happens in the life of primitive man? That is here. People are happy. If you tell
Yes,
you
sir.
have textbook, you can start.
I don't have textbook.
No problem. Screen just presented.
Okay, sir. Discovery of fire and wheel and their uses. Brains
Ruins
of
of
ruins of ashes found in the caves of the primitive men in Kurnool in South India indicate and they were familiar with fire as per historians expo- approximately 11
approximately
approximately 11,000 years ago humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionized
revolutionized
revolutionized their life because with the help of it they could cook the meat and eat, get light, and protect themselves from wild animals. Other than fire will also revolutionize their life. They learned to make will from their trunk and their wood.
Here we are going to discuss about discovery of fire and wheel. We have proof in Kurnool. It is in south part of India, southern India, which describes that the primitive man used fire as well as wheel before 11,000 years ago. Means before this time, human has started to use fire. By this, it is one kind of revolution because they can cook food, meat, and eat it possible. Besides this, they can also get light during the night and protect themselves from wild animals. Other than fire, means besides fire, they also found a well, and which was made by trunk of thick wood. And after the invention of well, whatever the change occur, even today, whatever you can see, different types of vehicles, machineries, mostly one or other kind of wheel is used there. Discuss even today. Is it possible to think about our life without fire? No. If there is no fire, then what would be our life? We could not make anything what we have right now. What we have right now, nothing we could make. Second one is initially discovery of will would have brought which change in human life. Discovery of will make a change in transportation. At the beginning, bullock cart, horse cart, camel cart, this kind of vehicles. And then after, the use of circle or different wheel made us or lead us to today's huge and heavy machineries. This is the leading wheel of the fire after the use of fire. Now, changing environment. Kalani Ria.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Okay. Changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world due to increase in temperature. Vegetation and grass fields started growing in my areas of the world. As a result, number of grass-eating animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc., increased. Primitive man care
Certainly,
certainly got benefits of it. They started study these animals' behavior and thus their mental development started.
Yes. Here is about the how the environment changed and what is effect over the primitive man. About 2000 years ago, there was widespread change in atmosphere, and due to this increase in vegetation and grass field found at every places, and as a result, different animals which are dependent on grass and vegetation, they are called herbivores. For example, deer, sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, whatever it is. The number of these animals are increased, and thus human beings started to observe them, and this study make their mental development. Continue.
Okay, sir. They come in contact with grass, trees, vegetation as well as wheat, barley, and other
Barley,
grains, barley and other grains due to climate change. By using stones, men, and children collected grains. Because of this, curious
curious
instinct
instinct,
Curious instead slowly agriculture started in India. People started using stones to grow grains. They started growing grains near the banks of the rivers and constructed their houses made up of mud, thatch, hay, and other materials in the nearby areas.
very good. And because of this large amount, they came in contact of, as we have just discussed, animal eating on grass as well as different types of vegetation. By using stones, means stone weapons, as we have discussed in previous unit, women and men, children collect grains. Means they knew how to cut the grain and take it for various uses. Slowly, the agriculture started in our country. People started using stone to grow grain because in those days we do not have other kind of tools or weapon. Besides this, they also have a knowledge that water is required. They need to be stayed at the place where water can available easily. And so they started near the place or bank of river. They started growing, means agriculture was started near the bank of river. As they live at one place permanently, they need a house. And so they made hut by using mud, thatch, and other materials in nearest area. Thus, settled life was started in the time of primitive man. Next one, after Ria, Asrajit.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, it is changing environment.
Yeah, same paragraph. As a
Okay,
result,
sir.
fifth line of the textbook at the
Okay,
middle.
sir. As a result of it, their nomadic life came to an end and started a settled life. The first companion or friend of his settled life was a dog. Besides, he was also familiar with sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. Gradually, they started adjusting with them too. These animals protected them from wild animals. Thus, they associated with animal husbandry also along with farming. However,
Research,
research is being carried out to find out how long he had been using animals to get milk.
yes. We have just discussed they started growing grass and other vegetation means agriculture. For that, they have to live near the bank of river. They build or construct a hut. Thus, they started settled life. Before that, their life was nomadic, means moving from one place to another place. No fixed place to be. But here, they need to be at particular place. Here, they came into contact with different animals. They're familiar with animals like dog. Dog is considered as the first pet animal of primitive man. Besides this, they also domesticate a few other animals like sheep, goat, cow, buffalo, pig, etc. These animals also help the human being for the protection from wild animals. And thus, with the agriculture, they were associated with animal husbandry. However, means till now, we do not have particular figure of time that from when they started to milking this animal. The research are going on in the same direction. Next topic is settled life, food, shelter, and clothing. Karmakar Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Continue better.
Okay, sir. Early life and pastoral activity transformed primitive man's life into settled life. We know that agricultural land cannot be let out because it takes some time for crops to grow. It needs water and crops have to be harvested when grains are ready. This process led to the beginning of settled life in India. He also started making earthen pots for the storage of grains. As the wandering life came came to an end, there was a widespread change in their food habits, clothes, and shelter.
Now we are moving towards settled life. As we have just discussed, settled life started earlier time. They started pastoral. Pastoral means animal husbandry and related activities to animal husbandry. Besides this, we also know that agriculture and land can be let out because it takes some time for crops to grow. As we know even today, if we grow something in the farm, we need some time to get it ready. And so that it was necessary to live at the same place. Besides this, they also need water for the crop as well as to have harvested. Thus, grains are ready after some time. And this process led them into settled life. As a settled life, they need many things, and so that they started to make earthen pots for water as well as storing grain. Whatever the life of primitive, it was nomadic, wandering life, but it was came to an end and started settled life. And thus there was much change found or came into existence in their life. What kind of food, clothing, and shelter? This kind of change found in their life. Continue. Yes, Jit, continue.
Sir, Jeet not Rishita.
કોણ વાંચતું હતું છેલ્લે?
Rishita.
Okay, then Rishita continue.
Okay, sir. Along with wheat, barley, barley meat, they started eating fish and fruits found near their settlements. He lived in houses, made mud, thatch, and other such materials. He did agriculture. He made farming implements of sand, which included spade, chisel, and sickle. The following table shows us the places in India where grains of shelter, weapons, and remains of animals have been found.
Along with wheat and barley, they started eating meat, fish, fruits, which are found nearby places or nearby settlements. Besides this, they lived in a house. If you compare the house of today and those days, it is much different. But we can say house because it was their part of life to be there. They also used the house made of other material, moss, wood, and thatch. He also did agriculture, means involved in a business of agriculture or growing trees or different plants. And for that, he need he also got the knowledge that he need some particular type of tools like spade, chisel, and sickle. So whatever the availability in those days, branch of trees, stones, and etc. They prepare the tools from them. Here we can see in the table about the remains found by our archaeologists related to grain, shelter, weapons, and animals, etc. एक मिनिट हाँ हाँ एक ज मिनिट जस्ट अ मिनिट Yes, time is also finished. So we will continue in next period.